Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when exporting videos from video editor, if you're receiving this error which says we couldn't export, something happened and we couldn't export your video, please restart the Photos app and try again. Here is the error code. So if you're receiving this error code that is 0x80070497, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So first of all, close video editor and then restart video editor once again, and then you can try to export, but still you are receiving this error message. In that case, use Photos Legacy. Now for this, open Microsoft Store on your computer, close video editor first, and then open Microsoft Store, and over here type in Photos Legacy. Now when you type in Photos Legacy, if nothing comes up, then in that case you can go to browser, and in Google you can search Photos Legacy. Type in Microsoft Store, type in Microsoft Photos Legacy, and then go to Microsoft Photos Legacy. Now over here you can see Microsoft Photos Legacy. Now click on Get in Store app. Now click on Open Microsoft Store. It will open Microsoft Store on your computer, and if this is not installed, you will see install option over here. You will see the install button or get button. In my case, this is already installed. Once Microsoft Photos Legacy is installed, you can click on open, or you can, in the search box, you can type in Photos Legacy and then open Photos Legacy, and then go to video editor. On the top, click on video editor, and then you can add your videos. You can create video project, and once done, and then you can try to export. You can click on finish video, and you should be able to export it without any error message. But still you're receiving the error message. If nothing is helping, you can repair or reset Photos app. Now for this, first of all, type in Photos Legacy, and then go to make a right click and then click on app settings. And then scroll down, and over here you will see the repair option. Click on repair, and after the repair you can use Photos Legacy. Open Photos Legacy and then go to video editor and then try exporting it, and still you're facing the error message. In that case, you can click on reset. Now after the reset, you can open Photos Legacy once again, go to video editor, and then try to export the videos, and you should not receive this error message again. So for me, I was able to fix this problem after using Photos Legacy. So you can try this and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.